In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in Microsoft Outlook. Before we begin, a quick note on what this action does. Deleting a contact removes it from your Outlook address book, so it no longer appears in People or in Suggestions when you start a new email. This won't erase emails you've already sent or received. It simply removes the saved contact entry. With that in mind, let's walk through it clearly and confidently. First, open Outlook on your computer. Give it a second to load your mail. Along the left side or bottom of the window, look for the People icon. It usually looks like two silhouettes and may be labeled People or Contacts depending on your layout. Click that icon to switch from your mail view into your contacts. Once you're in the People view, find the contact you want to remove. If you have a long list, use the search box at the top to type a name or email address and quickly narrow things down. When you see the correct entry, click it once to select it. If you want extra reassurance you've got the right one, glance at the details pane on the right to confirm the name,